Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for July 18th, 2022. Deliveroo cuts forecast amid falling UK economy. Deliveroo lowered its 2022 outlook Monday after it reported a sharp slowdown in second quarter order growth, the latest glaring illustration of the declining cost of living and consumer spending in the UK. The food delivery group reported that gross transaction value (GTV), the total value of orders through its network, rose just 2% year over year in the 3 months through June, up from 12% in the previous quarter. As a result of what the company called an increase in consumer headwinds, it said it now expects GTV to grow in the 4% through 12% range, up from the previous range of 15% through 25%. However, the company said it still expects losses before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization to decline this year. Deliveroo's stock is trading 1.22% lower at the time of writing. These numbers are in line with some other negative news from the UK consumer sector in recent weeks, reflecting the impact of higher taxes and a surge in energy prices that has pushed overall inflation to its highest level in 30 years. The UK GTV growth rate of 4% is well behind the annual inflation rate, which was 9.1% in May. Binance Coin repeats past bear market moves. According to a report published by CoinMarketCap, Binance Coin (BNB's) daily transaction volume was down 58.2% as of July the 11th. Meanwhile, the daily transaction volume of its competitors Solana and Ethereum fell 18.1% and 13.7% respectively. The report also showed that the number of daily active addresses on BNB chain and Ethereum decreased by 68.8% and 27.2%, while the number of daily active addresses on Solana increased by 20.4%. Along with a decline in transaction volume, the total amount of fees received by each of the blockchain networks per day dropped sharply. This potentially reduced revenue from miners and validators, but at the same time lowered costs for the end user. On all three platforms, the daily network fee dropped 88.8% through 91.9% from November to July. Looking at the change in each platform's own token value, BNB was the winner, dropping from a peak of $653.32 to $255.03 at the time of writing, down almost 61%. This largely replicates its performance during the 2018 bear market, when BNB outperformed almost every other asset in the top 100, demonstrating its strength against the bearish trend. Gold rises as US dollar rebounds. Gold rose Monday morning amid a weaker US dollar as investors bet on a 100 basis point interest rate hike by the US Federal Reserve weakened this month. Yellow metal futures rose 0.52% to $1,671.75. The dollar, which normally moves inversely to gold, declined Monday morning as the Fed signaled it would stick with a 75 basis points rate hike at its July 26-27th meeting to lower inflation. The market abandoned the idea of a 100 basis points rate hike after the University of Michigan's inflation component was weaker on Friday. The U.S. University's 5-year inflation expectations released Friday fell to 2.8% in July from 3.1% in June. The European Central Bank is expected to raise rates by 25 basis points at its meeting later this week. As for other precious metals, silver rose 0.89%, platinum gained 1.35%, and palladium rose 2.61%.